Hello, I'm Jason Taylor. Welcome to the Command Line Essentials, Git Bash on Windows, in which I walk through the most common bash commands on Windows using the Git Bash terminal program. I have developed this course to address the need for students to become familiar with the command line or bash shell environment, especially on Windows, in order to aid their learning in other courses that put a heavy focus on the command line-centric tools or technologies. For my own courses, I want to provide this learning experience without holding up those already familiar with the command line. In this course, I will go over some key concepts, including reasons for using the command line, and specifically Git Bash. After that, we will install Git for Windows, which includes Git Bash as well as a text editor we will be using in this course. Finally, we will execute each of the most common bash commands. While presenting this course, I'm going to stay away from slides as much as possible. Of course, slides are great for leading in sections of this course and reinforcing at the end. Beyond that, this course is mostly hands-on demos of practical examples of commands in use, which is supported with reference material. Each of the demos are executed step by step so everyone can follow along. We then take newly learned skills and build upon them in later lessons. I keep the videos short and focused so that you can jump to a specific lesson if you just prefer. Just keep in mind that later lessons will assume that you have mastered the prior skills. Please take your time and pause the videos in order to follow along. This is the best way to learn all the material in this course. Once you have a good understanding of most of the commands, you can use this course as a reference by jumping around to refresh your learning of specific commands.